It's so fun to do a bunch of cooking during this quarantine time with people that are on your quarantine. And this is my little nephew, Walker, and you are one of my favorite chefs, aren't you, buddy?
Yep.
All right, and we are making one of our family's favorite recipes. What is this recipe, sir?
Nana's beef noodles.
Nana's beef noodles. So, we put a roast in the crock pot for about 4 to 6 hours, right? Look how good that looks. Isn't that yummy? Mm-hmm. Yum, a beef roast. And then all the juice from that roast is over here still in the crock pot. Yep. And I added a can of cream of mushroom soup in there, right? Yep. Just to thicken it up a little bit. Now, you have some noodles. Have you been stirring those around? Can you stir those around a little bit for me? We just made some these real fancy noodles. Let's take a look at one of these. Take a look at one. Can you pick one out for me? Taste it. What do you think? Ooh, good. A little butter on there. So we have yummy buttery noodles, and we have our roast beef. Now we took the roast beef, and you have been pulling this apart, right? Yep. It's nice, and we've got nice big chunks of roast beef. Let's try it. Take a little piece and see what you think. What do you think? I could use a little salt. What do you think? Okay, sprinkle a little salt on there. I'll put a little garlic salt. It's very good. Do a little another sprinkle. I hear you like salt on everything. Okay, that's good. Nice. So we'll mix a little bit of this up with the salt and the garlic salt. We're gonna put it in this pan right here. Let's move this over. Put your noodles out in the middle. I'll take your whisk away from you. And we'll put just a little bit of beef in here with our noodles. Half and half works out pretty good. What do you think, Walker? Mm-hmm. Half and half?
Yeah.
Do you want to stir it up for me?
Yep.
All right, you take that fork and stir it around. Good job. Way down deep. Good job. Mix it right up. And then, as he's mixing that, I'm going to use a little bit of this broth with the mushroom soup. Keep stirring. And we'll put that in here. 3 big scoops ought to do it, Walker. That looks really good. Let's put that off to the side. Can I help you for a sec? All right, nice job, chef. Mix it up real good, and then we're going to put this in the oven for just a few minutes. Okay. All right, let's get it done. Ooh!
Nana's beef noodles.
Oh, I know it. Let me give you a little, see what you think. A little bit on this side. Pull it out of the way. You're trying it already, you love it. And these little fun noodles are great, aren't they? A little bit of extra. What do you think? How do we do? Okay, so we have a beef roast that we cooked for 4 to 6 hours. We have your favorite noodles, and we have a can of mushroom soup that went into the broth. That was a simple recipe. And that's
what's for supper.
Good job.